Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to recover your Epic Games account without access to your email. First, go to the Epic Games sign-in page and then click sign in. Then from there, select forgot your password. And if you no longer have access to your email address, then use the available account recovery option and follow the on-screen instructions. Epic Games may ask you to verify your identity by providing details about your account, such as connected platforms, previous display names, purchase history, or other account information. Then submit the requested information and wait for Epic Games support to review your request. Once your account is recovered, update your email address, change your password, and enable two-factor authentication for added security. So that was how to recover your Epic Games account without your email. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorial. Thank you for watching.